what they're saying is they understand even if you get a judgment against a person doesn't have anything, doesn't have any revenue, never makes money, doesn't have any assets. That's a great place to keep a license of any kind, you see? And then over here, oh, I'm a Christian, I have to give everything to God. Uh, all the money flows through over here. You don't owe taxes, you see? So it's a
Right.
separation of those two because on your end, the license and the bank account, like that's how you operate. But on their end, they just license a person. They don't license the bank account. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So they can be separate like that. Just the way the mortgage. Oh, you beat us on the mortgage. If you put it, if you use a quick claim, yeah, same kind of deal. You see?
Right. So
Yeah.
yeah, if you had, Jamie Realty Corporation or Jamie Realty LLC, they would pay those corporations the same way. So the trust is just another version of that, but higher and more powerful, so that when the money goes in, the commission check goes in there, it's done.
Yeah. And okay, on that point too, like right now it's automatically going into the account.
Mhm.
But before they were sending us checks. So I was getting checks payable to Jamie Bonk.
Mhm.
And I would just go into the teller and I would endorse the back of the check. And
Right.
it went right into the trust, no problem.
That's
One time I was nervous because we were flying out of the country on a Tuesday and I was in Calgary on a Monday and the banks were all closed. And I had about $14,000 worth of checks. And, I signed the back and put it in through the automated machine. I didn't know if that would work, but it actually did. With Royal Bank, it was just fine. So I've tested all ways of getting the money into the account, even if it's payable to Jamie Bonk, the person. Jamie Bonk, the person, doesn't have any more bank accounts, only these trust accounts. And it's all working fine. So
beautiful.
That's why I recommend first trust, first and last name trust. You have the ID, the check goes in, all that stuff smooth as glass,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no problems.
Perfect.
Well
done.
You realtors know everything and everybody.
Yeah.
Look at you.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you, Jamie.
Thank you. Thanks for coming back. And George is back there too. How are we doing, George?
I have a question.
Shoot.
I was reading a paper. It was like 30 pages long. It was from a trust